welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impression of the Allure Beauty Box. So again, this is another monthly subscription box, and with this you get, I believe it's 4 to 6 products. They're either ranging from full-size samples to new products to older products. You can get this at allure.beauty.thebeautybox. And if you're interested in getting this box, then I'm going to go ahead and leave my link down below. But I'm going to basically do this like I do my BoxyCharm. So I'm going to be telling you what products I got, and then I'm going to sample these products out for you guys, try them on, so you guys can get a full first impression of this and see if you guys are interested in even getting this box. So as you guys can tell, I am prepped and primed already. So like I do with Boxy is I open this up already to see what I needed to do to my face, just so I can make this video kind of simple, sweet, and not 100 hours long. So when you open it up, you do get a little magazine, and in this magazine it kind of just tells you everything about each product that you got, and it also gives you some coupons. So what they're doing differently is, I think I got like the last month of like the regular box. So starting in January, what they're doing is they're also giving you a bag. So starting in January, you'll discover our makeover of the Allure Beauty Box, including a collectible limited edition pouch to reuse or share. There's going to be 6 amazing picks plus a bonus gift inside of the shiny new pouch. What they did here is they kind of gave you sneak peeks about what you're getting. So I am getting a bonus gift. I'm getting a Mally Evercolor shadow stick in burnished bronze, and I'm also going to get a hair and body scrub. So I'm kind of really excited to get next month's box. And then you just open it up and the goodies are inside. First thing they talk about is the Ofra highlighter. So you guys know Ofra highlighters are amazing. They're super pigmented. Like, I'll show you guys. They're so pigmented, so beautiful, that I was super excited to get this box and try this out. They're just gorgeous. They're just such pretty shades. So this is the Ofra Nikkiturorials Everglow highlighter. The price of this is $35. So I don't know if I mentioned it before, but the price of the Allure box is, it kind of depends on when you sign up. So you can either pay between $10 to $15 a month. So I got this for 3 months. So you can get this at ofracosmetics.com. It retails for $35, and this is already over the price of your box. You paid, let's say you paid 15 bucks. This is a little more than double of what you paid for your box. This formula is super smooth and buildable. You can layer it up until it's blinding, or you can use a light hand for a natural glow. I kind of want to make it blinding just to see how it looks, because I'm kind of really into blinding highlighters now. So next product I got, this is the NYX Lingerie, and I got this in the shade Cabaret Show. So this is $6.99, and you can get this at Ulta's website. This has a matte finish. The matte finish is cool, if not exactly forgiving. So apply the color in the center of your lips first, then blend out from there for the cleanest application. Blot your lips if the color looks uneven, or layer a lip pencil for more precision. And you can layer a lip balm over it to make the color a little less intense and kind of give a velvety feeling. So I'm really excited to use this. I actually don't have a NYX Lingerie lippy, but I was actually really interested in purchasing one because I wanted to try like their product, and I heard that the lingerie is just amazing. So next thing I got, this is the Juvia's Palace custom eyeshadow palette. So first, I think the packaging is just so cute. It is small, so it's perfect for travel. This retails for $20, and you can get it at the juviaspalace.com website. So these are the colors. The colors look so pretty, kind of definitely my colors, definitely very fall. And it does have like a cute design right up here, and I'm just really loving these colors. So the shadows are very creamy and pigmented and super easy to work with. You don't have to layer a lot of them to get color. You can do one swipe on your lids and go. You can buff out the edges for a smoky eye, and you can apply the sparkling shades like the copper or the rose gold with your finger for a foily effect, or you can use a brush to diffuse it. And you can try the reddish bronze as a smoky eye on the take for the burgundy shadow trend. So this palette just looks so pretty. I'm so excited to try this. The colors look gorgeous. They are pretty. They're actually very pigmented. They just look very pretty. Pretty intense too, if you guys can see. I'm kind of doing like sucky swatches. The next thing I got, this is a sample. This is the Ren Clear Skin Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. And this is for sensitive skin. The full size of this retails for $48. So this is a great way to get winter moisturizer. It's good for any skin type. Just don't layer it under serums or cream. They might not penetrate through the balm. So you're supposed to use this at night on clear, dry skin. So I'm super excited to try this out because you guys, if you guys have seen my other videos, you know that I'm getting like dry right around my nose and then right around my lips as well. So I'm really excited to try this out and see if this works because I'm looking for anything to help keep my skin moisturized and refreshed. Then the next thing I got is this liquid eyeliner. This is a Lash Splash Art Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. This retails for $14. You can get it at lashsplashcosmetics.com. It has a brush tip applicator and which is sturdy for tracing your lashes, and it's very buildable. The skinny tip will make easy work of tracing your lashes for a smooth line that makes them look fuller. The dark color is saturated, so meaning it's very black. It says the liner lasts all day and can hold its own through a good cry. So bring on sappy movies. I'm always looking for an eyeliner that stays on all day because you guys know I have oily lids. So anything that lasts all day is my kind of eyeliner. The last product I got, this is the Neutrogena Makeup Removing Cleansing Towelette. This is just a single. You guys know I use this every single time at nighttime to take off my makeup. I'm very excited to just get a little travel size of this because I feel like this would be perfect. Like if I want to go tanning after work, throw a bunch of these in my little tanning bag and I don't have to worry about it getting dry or anything like that. So I feel like these little towelettes are going to go for really good use. Or even for travel, because when I go traveling I don't want to bring that big Neutrogena pack, and I feel like if I'm going away for 2 nights, this will be so much simpler just to grab 2 and go rather than bring that whole pack. So that is it that I got in my box, and now I'm going to go ahead and put these products to the test, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in. Okay, so you guys are pretty zoomed in, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyes. So like I said before, my eyes are nice and primed and prepped and ready to go. I have on the NARS Smudge Proof Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and use this pretty palette and transform my eyes into something pretty. The only thing is the palette itself doesn't have the names of the colors, and it neither does the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and just point to whatever shade I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Ipsy T35. This is the Precise Blending Brush. And I'm going to go ahead and put this color right here, which is kind of like an orangey color, right into my crease. I do wish that this had a mirror on it, but I understand it is pretty small, but a mirror would make this palette a lot better. So first things first, the color is pretty pigmented. It looks really good, like it is pretty pigmented. I do like the color itself. And I'm just putting this into the crease and then using like circular motions just to blend it all out, and then I'm kind of blending it outwards so it is a little bit blown out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade right here. This shade does have a little bit of shimmer to it, but it's not a like shimmery shade, I don't think. But I really like that cranberry color. So I'm just taking this on my Luxie 213. This is the eye shading brush. I'm just stamping that on the outer portion of my eye. And then when I don't have a lot of product left, I'm bringing that on the inner portion of my eye and then putting some color right on the inner part of my eye to kind of do like a halo eye, blending all of that out. The colors are really blendable and they're actually very pigmented too. I am going in with a lighter hand at first, and then I go ahead and build up the color because even in the description it did say that it was pretty intense, so I don't want to start off with too much shadow. Okay, so next I'm going in with my Fitsanti. This is the contour eyeshadow brush. This is the number 4. And I'm going to go ahead and take this brown shade and I'm just going to put that on the outer portions of my eye just to add in some dimension and bring out some color. So I'm just stamping this on and then I'm bringing it just about halfway on to my eye and I'm just blending that in to the crease because I just want to deepen out the outer portion of my eye. Okay, next I'm going to go back in with the first shade that we used, and that is that orangey shade, and I'm just blending out the edges to make sure everything is blended out smooth. Okay, so I'm actually going to top off this eyeshadow with this pretty color right here. This is like a rose gold type color. It looks very, very pretty. And I'm just going to put that on the center part of my eye for like a halo effect. Oh my god, that color is so pigmented and it looks so gorgeous. And I'm just putting that on the center. That looks so pretty. Like, this eye look, it matches my shirt, but it just looks so, so pretty. I'm really, really loving this eye look. This palette is definitely blendable, definitely buildable. It's so, so pigmented. I feel like it's beautiful on the skin. And these are colors I feel like that would complement every single skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom part of my lash. So I am using, this is a Luxie 221. This is a flat definer brush. And I think I want to go in with this shade right here. Actually, no. I'm going to do something a little bit different today, guys. Instead of going in with a flat brush, I'm going to go in with this. This is a Luxie mini angled flat brush. And I'm putting that color, which is that pretty like cranberry shade, right along the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my handy dandy pencil brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just blend two colors together. And when you do this, you want to make sure the outer part of your color and your lash line kind of mesh together, because if they don't, you're just going to have a gap and it's just not going to look as seamless. Then I just want to take that darker shade, just like a pinch of it. I just want to apply that to the outer part of my eye just to add a little bit more dimension. But overall, my impressions of this palette is 100%. I love it. I can't believe that I got this in a $10 box. This is just amazing. The colors are so pigmented, so like universal. You can make the shimmers like not as shimmery. Actually, speaking of, I totally forgot to do brow bone stuff. I'm actually going to go ahead and use this shade right here. I'm going to go in with a mini flat angled, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. This is a very, very pretty inner corner highlight. This is actually, I say, it might be one of my favorites because it is so pigmented, like right off the bat, and it is very easy to apply. I think that looks very, very pretty. Then I'm just going to put some on my brow bone. When you apply it with a finger, it is a lot more intense. It looks really, really pretty. But like I was saying, this palette is just beautiful. It is so easy to blend, so pigmented. It just looks so, so nice. I love the look that I came up with. I feel like I could use this palette every single day. It's definitely a great travel palette. I'm loving it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and try out the eyeliner. And I'm just going to do a simple line on my top lash line. Wow. Okay, guys. So, first impression, like, this is really black. Okay, so this is incredibly black. That is so black. That just looks so dark. It is so pigmented. I love the like tiny tip of this because it's so easy to make a straight line and it's really blendable. And I kind of had to go over where I put that shimmery shade like right in the center of my eyes a bit because it didn't come out as black as it should have, but it still came out pretty dark. I'm actually a little surprised. So I'm just going to add on some mascara. Okay, so mascara is on. I just use the Lorac. This is the Royal Treatment Mascara Duo. I got this in BoxyCharm and I'm really loving it. I feel like it just makes my mascaras really dark and black and very long. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this highlighter. So I don't know, I kind of want to mix these two shades right here. So I'm just gonna do a sweep back and forth and just apply that. Okay, so you can definitely build up this highlighter because at first glance it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be, but after building it up, it looks, you can see, like it looks really good actually. And I'm just gonna put some on the tip of my nose like I normally do, and then just right on my Cupid's bow. I like this highlighter. I like how you can make it really intense like this, or you can just make it look more natural. But I love these three shades. You can even do these three shades together and create like your own custom look. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this. Like I was saying before, I have never used this like collection from this brand before, but I do like this brand in general. And the applicator is just like a stick, so application should be fairly easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay, so I don't exactly like the applicator, but I really love the lip color. I feel like the lip color even goes with this look. Goes on pretty easy. It is already matte, so I really like this color. It really goes with the look. You guys know how I feel about the Neutrogena wipes and the moisturizer. I am going to be trying on tonight or this week just to see how I like it. But overall, I'm really loving this box. I got such amazing products in this box for only $10. I feel like this is just an amazing price, and you get some fun stuff that you really never tried out before. I got some skincare. It's kind of like a BoxyCharm. It's just the smaller versions of what is in BoxyCharm, and for the price you really can't beat it. And I'm really loving everything in this look. So let me know if you guys have an Allure box. Let me know if you like Allure. Leave your comments down below. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a like if you like this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!